Yes, good morning. The today topic is air conditioning systems. First, we see the air conditioning systems. Generally, the air conditioning system is designed to indoor space by removing the heat and humidity. Here, as an overview, how AC works, their types and benefits and maintenance tips we can see in next slides. The main purpose of air conditioning systems is utilized to maintaining our require temperatures inside the room and industries and storing areas and automobile sectors, car, ships, train. We can lot of applications we can say about the air conditioning systems. The air conditioning systems, it's similar to refrigerators. The air conditioners move heat from interior to interior of your house to outside parts. Heat from the indoor air absorbed by the evaporator coil and also known as indoor coil outside, and the condenser coil dissipates the heat that has been absorbed. These are the examples of window air conditioning system. This is one of the examples. How to working function. This is a animations. The got air extracted from the outside and removing heat inside, maintaining the required temperatures. These are the parts of window air conditioning systems and their functions. Next one is types of air conditioning systems. Before type of air conditioning system, we see the parts of the air conditioning systems. The compressor is a refrigerant gas raising the pressure and temperatures. Next one is a condenser. They release the heat from the refrigerant to outside air gassing to the condensate into a liquid. Next one is a expansion valve. Reduce the pressure of the refrigerant, allow it to expand and cool. Evaporator coil. Evaporator coil observe the heat from the indoor air as a refrigerant and evaporator cooling the air. Next one is types of air conditioning system. The primary types air conditioning systems. The first one is central air conditioning systems, split air conditioning system, window air conditioning system, portable air conditioning system. These are the window types of air conditioning system, mostly utilized in some many areas and including the domestic applications also. The central air conditioning systems ideal cooling entire home. It uses a network duct to distribute the cool air. Window units compact and suitable for a single room. These units are installed in a window frame. Portable units, mobile and easy move. They require everything through a window. Next one is we can say the ductile mini split system. Consists of an outdoor compressors and one more indoor units, offering the flexible without duct work. Evaporators coolers use the water evaporations to cool air best suited dry climates. Variable refrigerants flow allow the individual controls zones, offering energy efficiency and flexibilities. Next one is a central air conditioning systems. These are the central air conditioning systems. The functions are shown in the GIF formats. The central air conditioning systems are designed to cool entire the home and are large buildings. They consist of an unit and outdoor units conducted by a network and ducts. The working principles: air intake systems draw warm air from the indoor environment to the return ducts. Air passes through the filter, remove the pollutant. The filtered air moves over the evaporator coil and the refrigerant absorbs heat, cooling air. Air distributions: a blower fan circulate. This is a blower fan circulates the air. This is the blower fan circulates the air through the supply ducts into various rooms. Next one is a heat rejection. The warmed refrigerant gas travels through out of the condenser unit where it's release the heat and return to liquid states. Next one is a split air conditioning systems. The split air conditioning systems consist of two main components, indoor unit and outdoor units connected by the refrigerant line. They are mostly common individual source. The warm air from the room drawn into passed over the evaporator coil. Refrigerant observe the heat cooling the air. The cooled air is circulated into the room. Next are cooling units. Mostly it's a warm refrigerant gas compressor increasing the pressure and temperatures. The refrigerants then flow back into the indoor unit to repeat the cycles. Next one is a window air conditioning systems. The window air conditioning systems are compact unit installed in a window frame combining all over the component and units. They are ideal cooling individual rooms. Working principles: unit draw warm air from the room into evaporator sections. The warm air passes over the evaporator coil where the refrigerant absorbs the heat, cooling the air. The cooled air back into the room. The refrigerant then flow through a condenser coil, releasing the absorbed heat to outside the home. The refrigerant return the evaporator coil into cooling process.